Welcome to the Marineff Artificial Rockpool Manufacture video. My name is Jess Bone and I'm a Research Assistant for the Marineff project. This video is going to give you a more detailed look at the artificial rockpool manufacture process by project subcontractor Artecology, an eco-engineering company based on the Isle of Wight in the UK. The custom-made mould is attached to an upright board to provide a backing for the artificial rockpool. This board can be tilted to emulate the angle of the coastal structure the rockpools will be fitted to ensure the water doesn't drain out of the pool. The marine-grade stainless steel frame is fitted within the mould so it can be fully incorporated into the concrete. A formliner is added to create the external rockpool texture. The Marineff rockpool exterior is comprised of small concave pockets which are achieved by using bubble wrap. The bubble wrap is reused for several pools to reduce waste. The concrete formula for the Marineff rockpools is a 1:1 volume ratio of bicapp prompt cement and 10 mm sharp sand. Bicapp prompt is a more sustainable low-carbon choice, but as it sets rapidly, it is more efficient to mix it manually, as opposed to using a mechanical mixer. The wet concrete is applied to the mould and covers the steel bracket. Another benefit of using bicapp prompt cement is its workability, which is similar to wet clay, and this allows for bespoke customization of the artificial rockpools. You can see here that it is applied bit by bit and built up around the edges of the mould to create the basin shape. The concrete is pressed into the bubble wrap formliner and manually compacted around the steel bracket to ensure that it is fully incorporated into the body of the rockpool. It is crucial to work quickly to ensure the design is fully achieved due to the rapid setting time of the cement. As the concrete begins to set, the finishing touches are applied to the rockpool surfaces. This can be achieved by any manner of tools for a variety of textures. Artecology have incorporated various features in previous rockpool designs to provide additional habitat, such as small caves, ledges and overhangs, and elevated mounds. These features emulate the topographical complexity and randomness of natural rocky reefs. However, the Marineff rockpool rim and interior have been left without such features to ensure ease of ecological monitoring over the 2 years and comparability between the rockpools. Despite this, the rockpool rim and interior has been given a rough, grainy texture to encourage settlement and attachment of organisms. The rockpool finishes setting within the mould. In optimal conditions, the concrete sets in approximately 10 minutes. Once the rockpool has finished setting within the mould, it is unscrewed from the backboard and carefully placed on a flat surface. The bubble wrap formliner is removed. You can see as the bubble wrap is peeled away that not every pocket looks the same. These intrinsic irregularities on the rockpool exterior are part of the charm of this process, as this mimics the randomness of natural habitats. At this point, the rockpool undergoes quality control, particularly to ensure that the steel bracket is fully incorporated into the concrete body. The rockpools then need to cure for a minimum of 10 days before they are installed. Thanks for watching. There are more videos in the Rockpool series which are listed on screen. Be sure to also visit our social media and the Marineff project website for more resources.